Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Dollar Tree carrot patch DIY. Dollar Tree has these really realistic looking carrots now. They're so cute, and I thought we could make a little carrot patch for Easter. So to do that, I'm going to use one of their little wood boxes from the Dollar Tree. It is just plain wood, so we are going to stain it with some antique wax by Waverly, give it a little makeover. I do kind of want it to be stained all over though. Because you might be able to see inside of it as well. Once I got it stained, I just went over it with a baby wipe to kind of make it not quite so dark, lighten it up a little bit, and blend it all in. Also, it provides better coverage, getting in all of those different areas. So I go ahead and do all four sides, the top, and I'm even going to do like inside a little bit where you can see it. And then I want to add like a little Easter word to the front of it to make a cute little carrot patch. Mine was a little broken, so I had to glue mine shut. But I picked up 5 of those realistic carrots, and I think they're going to look so cute in this little box. So this is a sign from the Dollar Tree that I got. It says hop with a little bunny rabbit on it. I thought this was the perfect size for this little box, and I'm just painting mine baby blue with this Cloudless by Apple Barrel. Very fun little pastel color, and it's just the right size for this little box, so we're just going to attach it with some hot glue. Now I want like the carrots are going to be kind of tall for the box, but they definitely fit in there, but I don't want them to be any higher than they need to be, and so I am going to glue them like directly to the bottom. But I wanted to give them a quick touch up. I just chose a different color orange, and I'm just distressing them all over just to give them a little variation in color to make them look even more realistic. They already have like the wrinkles and stuff on them, but whenever you can add a second color, it always makes them look a little bit better. But the green around them looks really good. So I chose an odd number so I could do like a 2 in one row, like 3 in another row. So this is going to be the back row. And as you can see, I'm just hot gluing them directly to the bottom of the bin. You do have to kind of wait for your hot glue to set up because you don't want your carrots falling over. And then I'm going to do 2 kind of staggered here in front. Again, a little bit of patience to make sure that they are going to stay standing up. And then I just weigh mine down a little bit with some pebbles from the Dollar Tree to make it more bottom heavy so it won't tip over. But I don't really want you to see those, so I'm only doing that at the very base of them. And then I'm going to fill the rest of it up with some of the Dollar Tree like brown floral moss. So that's what it looks like so far. That does help keep the carrots in place and standing up too because the pebbles are a little stronger. And I just put that brown floral moss in between all of the carrots. Such an easy DIY. You can also do this with like the string carrots from the Dollar Tree, but I wanted to try to find a use for these more realistic ones, and I think they turned out so cute. For more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach, and be sure to check out my website, craftybeach.net. Happy crafting!